Hey, what's up guys? Jack from SnapSolar. We got an exciting little announcement for you guys today. I'm joined with Scotty from Muscle Hut, the largest strength warehouse gym on the Sunshine Coast. And he's got a little something he's cooking up over here. Scotty, what are you cooking up over at the Muscle Hut?
All right, so I was talking to Mr. Jack a week ago and I informed him he'll now be lifting at the state powerlifting competition push-pull event we've got on the 2nd of March here, bench press and deadlift. And for every kilo he lifts, he's going to donate to charity. And let me tell you, I'm going to make him lift a lot. So back to Mr. Jack, he'll inform you of the charity of his choice. But yeah, 2nd of March here, push-pull state competition. Come and watch Mr. Jack.
Okay guys, so as you heard from Scotty, I've been thrown under the bus. As you guys know, at SnapSolar, we're donating for every system sold. We donate to the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. So I want to utilise this event, guys, to raise awareness and raise funds for the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. I'm personally going to go in and lift as much as I can, and for every kilo I lift, I'm going to donate $1. But guys, I can't lift this alone. I need your help. So what we've done, guys, is I've put a link below where you guys can GoFundMe and help me raise money for the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. You can donate for as little as $1, guys. So please come help me lift this enormous weight. I'm scared of Scotty. I'm scared of what I'm gonna have to lift and I need your help. So click the link below, guys. Please donate to this. All proceeds will be going to the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. I'm really excited for this competition in March. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you there. Please support Muscle Hut and Scotty. The team over here are amazing and it's a fantastic gym. I look forward to seeing you there, guys, and I look forward to March. Thanks, guys. Jack from SnapSolar, your local solar expert.